So, warm welcome to all. Today, we are going to discuss a rate analysis in which we are going to calculate the value of cement and sand, that is, value of material is required for first class brick construction 1. Okay, in last lecture, we just had a question to you that what is the difference between the specific gravity of cement and bulk density of cement? Okay, so check here. We have taken volume of 10 cubic meter, that is first class big construction. The volume of the brickwork is 10 cubic meter. As we know that in last class we calculated that the nominal size of modular brick is 10 centimeter width, height, and this is length. Okay, so for 10 cubic meter construction, number of brick required is 5000. So the actual size of modular brick is 9 plus 9 9. 9 is width, 9 centimeter is height, and 19 centimeter is length. So the actual volume, that is weight volume of mortar is 2.3 cubic meter. Please look this figure, that is 2.3 cubic meter. We have to 10 minus number of brick 5000 into volume of one brick. This is the volume of one brick. So we have just okay. So after that, we know that for that some wastage, that is weight volume of mortar is somewhere is wastage, and somewhere is used for the frog filling. Frog is nothing but a groove in a brick which is used for the bonding. So we just add 15% extra. So that will be 2.64. Okay, clear? But as we know that for 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume of mortar material is produced, 1.0 cubic meter of set mortar. It means if we use 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume is dry cement and dry sand, it will produce it will produce 1.0 cubic meter of wet or set mortar. Okay, so what is this set mortar? This is why, because many air is there in cement sand, so it will spill out. Once you add water, water will take place void and air will spill out. So that's why 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume of this material is produced 1.0 cubic meter of mortar. I think this is clear to you. Okay, so for 10 cubic meter first class big construction, we required 3.30 cubic meter of dry volume of material. Material includes and cement, that is cement plus sand. This is the your material. Okay, so we have a thumb rule that for 1 cubic meter there may be 30% brickwork. Okay, for producing 1 cubic meter of brickwork, we use 30% of dry weight of mortar. It means for 1 cubic meter there may be 0.30 cubic meter of dry cement plus sand, whatever ratio that you use. In this example we use 1:6. Okay, so here, so the volume of sand is, we have to calculate this will with the example that the ratio of 1:6. So with that, this is 0.47. Clear? So after that, one bag of cement contain 50 kg whose volume is 0.0347. From where we calculate this volume? Okay, look this. From where we calculate this volume? Okay, so look over here. For 50 kg, dye density is 1440 kg per meter cube. Thus the volume is 50 divided by, that is mass in kg divided by volume in meter cube. So that's why 0.037. You all know that